Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at Glide, and it's a simple way to create an app just using a Google spreadsheet. So this would be great for students to give reports, or for you as a teacher or anyone to share information with others. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this Google spreadsheet called Philadelphia Legends, and we're just going to create it right from this spreadsheet. So let's select New App. It's going to go ahead into Google Drive, and we're going to select Philadelphia Legends. Go ahead and select, and it's already been created. So you can see Mike Schmidt and Julius Erving. Again, I do have this information up here, and the app's been created. Now, let's say that there's a student working with another group of students, and they want to combine sheets. So I just selected right up in here, Control C. I now want to come down in here, and I want to add a new sheet, and I'm going to rename this to Stadiums. Again, I just have one stadium for right now, but again, I'm going to select right up in here, Control V to paste it in. All right, we'll come back. We'll now reload this sheet, and now down in here, you can see stadiums. One thing you'll need to do to change it, if you want to change the layout, come over here to List. So now you can see the list is right in there. Okay, so now you're ready to go. You could certainly take a look at it right in here, or you could select Share App. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the link to app. Of course, you can share on Facebook and Twitter. And I'm going to open up in a new tab, Control V to paste. And here it is, ready to go. So if people want to learn about Mike Schmidt, they can go ahead and learn right in there. Of course, you can always type in, if you want, here's Julius Erving, right there. And then you could always scan right in here to open up the app. Now, if there's anything you'd like to change, so for example, what I'd like to do is maybe I don't want this image to be here. I can go ahead and change that image and select this one here, select Open, change the background to be red, and sure enough, we could go ahead, open up the app, and here it is. When someone scans to open the app, you can go ahead and scan that and then add that to their home screen, and there you have your app. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care.